You are speaking about Islam writ large, of course, but as you know, it is very diverse. There are many different groups of Muslims in the world. You have previously said, sir, that you are not aware of events happening in Xinjiang province in China. Canada's parliament has said what's happening to the Muslim minority Uyghurs there is a genocide. Why do you not advocate for those Muslims as you do for Muslims elsewhere?
Let me just be clear, Rosemary. Number one, Islamophobia does not affect us Muslims living in Muslim countries. It only affects Muslims in Western countries. And because I know and spend time in Western society, I understand what they go through. So that's why I raise my voice. Now, as for what is the situation of Muslims all over the world, just look at the situation from Libya, come to Syria, to Iraq, to Afghanistan, to Somalia. So there is a serious political problem in the Muslim world and suffering.